How to publish your game on Play Store with AdMob Mediation and boost downloads. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this complete playlist, I am going to show you how to properly monetize, optimize and finally publish your Unity game on Google Play Store. We will start with AdMob Mediation setup, then move to in-app sharing, and after that in-app reviews, and finally I will show you how to publish your game without errors and optimize your Play Store listings for better visibility. So make sure you watch this playlist till the end because each step is connected. In part 1, we will discuss AdMob mediation setup. So first of all, we will start with ads mediation setup because monetization should be ready before publishing. I will teach you how to properly integrate Google AdMob, Unity Ads SDK, IronSource SDK inside Unity. You will learn how to create AdMob app and ad units, how to link AdMob with Place Console, how to install mediation adapters, how to enable test ads, how to fix common errors like ads not showing, initialization failed, and no fill problems. By the end of this part, your game will be fully monetized and ready to generate revenue. Part 2 consists on ad in-app sharing. After ad setup, we will focus on organic growth. I will show you how to add in-app sharing inside your game so players can easily share your game with friends. This feature helps you increase installs, improve retention, get free traffic from users, boost Play Store ranking. Most developers skip this setup, but it's extremely powerful. Part 3 consists on add in-app reviews. Next, we will integrate Google in-app review system. I will show you how to trigger review pop-up properly, when to ask users for review, how to avoid annoying players, how to increase positive ratings. This will help your game build trust and credibility on Play Store, which directly improves download. Part 4 consists on publish game on Play Store. After monetization and growth tools are ready, now it's time to publish your game. I will guide you step by step on creating Play Console app, uploading AB file from Unity, setting up signing, filling data safety form, setting target audience, content rating setup. I will also cover common publishing errors like target API level issues, policy warnings, manifest errors, SDK conflicts, ad permission problems, and how to fix them easily. Part 5 consists on ASO optimization, category and tags. Then we will optimize your Play Store listings. You will learn how to write ASO, friendly title and description, how to choose the right game category, how to select proper tags for better discoverability, how to improve keyword ranking. This step is very important if you want your game to appear in search results and recommendations. Part 6 consists on game icon and store UI design tools. Finally, I will show you how to design professional Play Store assets easily. You will learn which tools to use like Canva, how to design eye-catchy game icons, how to create high converting screenshots, how to design feature graphics. Even beginners can do this without Photoshop. So if you want to earn from your game, grow installs organically, get more reviews, publishing without errors, rank better on Play Store, then make sure you watch this complete playlist till the end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel and comment below if you need help. See you in the next video. Happy game developing. Thank you.